How to find on page on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find on page on Samsung internet browser. First then open the browser and now just go to any page you want and then just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and here you will find this one, find on page. Click on it and here just type any word you want, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.